How to make death in Infinite Craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the game, and after that you need to add earth on your board. Bring wind on top of it. This way you would get dust. Now you need to add earth to this dust and we get planet. After that you need to add wind on your board, add fire to it and we get smoke. Now we need to add water to it and we get fog. After that add this fog to planet and we get Venus. After that we need to add water on board and add fire on top of it. We get steam, and after that add this steam on Venus and we get life. Now we need to add smoke on life, so we will just simply search for smoke and add it on life. This way we get vampire, and after that we need to add life on vampire, so simply search for life and add it. This way we get death. This way we get death. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.